Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are learning the data science interview question. So suppose we have a scenario, right? Somewhere like we have to use two tables union, like we have a few data into the first query and few data into the second query, and we have to do union. So most of the cases they will ask you, or interviewer will ask you, that what is difference between union and union all. So let's discuss that. Suppose like we have a two table, okay, this employee test and employee test 1, okay, and these two tables having few records, and we want to combine this record together. Suppose we don't so first case will be like we want to combine, but in second table it's having the duplicate value, same value, and a son having two values. So we don't want to, we can filter that as well, but what we, with the help of union, how we can mitigate that. So suppose like we will do union. If we'll do the union, right, we will get whole record, means the record combined together. But what will happen, Anderson, the duplicate will be auto removed. But if you'll use the union all, right, so what will happen in union all, it will took the all records, whatever records will be in table 1, it will took that as well in table 2, and this will club both the records. So suppose table 1 have 100 record and table 2 have 100 record, so it will give as a 200. But in union, if table 1 has a 4 record duplicates, then it will give only 196 record. So that is the major difference between the union and union all. Another thing, like performance wise, right, so union will took more time because it will go and check the uniqueness of each record, but union all will not take much time. So this is the difference between these two. If anyone will ask you, you can say this into the detail.